Well, made it. It's a Wednesday in the middle of December, early December. It's cold out. And I'm taking some laps at Jay, and then I'm gonna go feed the kitties and see what the ferals are up to. Check on the land, cause it's cold. We're out here at Jay. Beautiful December morning in Vermont. The air is crisp. They're blowing snow. The groomers are money. I just took a heater down here. The lifty got her glove stuck in the chair in front of us. So we got to the top and I skied it down for her. Yeah, this is awesome. Wow, I'm gonna have to cut into here on the next run. But yeah, skiing's great. Jay skis feel great. Going to the land after this, check the kitties. I did a little GoPro mod. I got these little dead cats, is what you call, to muffle wind noise on a microphone in the camera world. I got little mini dead cats that I've glued, not glued, but they have adhesives to the front of the GoPro speakers in a test, or sorry, microphone, in a test to see if it'll mitigate some wind noise when you're hauling ass, which will be both useful for skiing and motorsports videos and moto. But yeah, it's beautiful out here today. Just soaking it all up. The woods even look skiable. It's crazy enough. They already got some tracks in them. Good little base. I might have to hit the woods at some point. You! Look at that. Beauties. Well, one thing that is very evident is this is the first season of skiing where my feet do not kill and my legs aren't insanely tired on the first couple days. And I would say that's probably from working on the land all year, dragging wood and cinder blocks and all the other crap. Definitely helped build the leg muscles. So that's cool. I feel good about this ski season. Just got 4 runs in, sweating. That's all I needed. Now it's time to go check on the kitties and set out a feast. Back again. If only the kitties knew there's a feast rolling through. Oh baby. Hey Otter. It's a winter wonderland. Oh, the snow really wants to kill this tree. I already shook all the snow off last time I was here. Survive, little tree, survive. Well, not only do I need to feed the cats, but I need to fix some trail cameras. Didn't realize how much the snow affects some of these birch trees. I thought they were stronger. I guess they are not. I mean, you can see over there, that one's hanging over the road. I'll probably cut that down today. Got to bring this big food bucket and go get the kitty dialed. Let's go see if there's kitties around. Kitties. No kitties to be seen. Kitties. Kitty. Copper. Copper. Make sure Batman, Dipper, and Copper are taken care of. Yep. Top these off. Any new rat poop? Nope. Everything looks good. Yeah, nice and cozy. Looks great in here. Ready for the next party. Batman. Batman. Little Batman. Batman. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Batman. I think it's a girl. Oh, she needs help. It's okay. Chopper. It's okay. It's okay, sweet. All right. Finally making contact with Batman, aka Chopper. I don't even know what the name's gonna be. Definitely has messed up ears from frostbite, probably from last winter. Definitely is in need of love. Oh, good boy. Go get your snacky. Yeah, you're small. You need to be fed. You look like a boy. Batman. Hey. Hey. Kitty. Come here. Come here, yeah. Come here. You want some sweets? Oh, you want some of those? Come on. Eat it. How's that feel, huh? Does that feel good on your little head? Oh, we're making progress, folks. This little dude is definitely gonna get saved. He just gotta survive another week or two. Right? Right? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Hungry little devil. Poor little Ernest. Ready to touch? Next step is maybe put food inside the trailer so he gets comfortable coming in the trailer, and then when I do come camp up here before Christmas, if I can get him to sleep in here, I can take him home like Chester and get all of his vitals figured out, because he's definitely been through some stuff with that ear, just like Chester. At least he doesn't have ear mites, but he looks like he's lost an ear before. See if he reacts to this. Know that sound, little dude? It's the sound of good eating. All right, he's looking at the food bowl. He's assessing the situation. He knows I'm over here. Oh, here he goes. He's going inside the trailer. I hope he doesn't mark his territory. Last thing I need is cat spray. Come here. Come here. Come here. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're like a little monkey. Ooh, ah. Hey. Yeah. Wait, little boy. Oh, yes. Come here. Come here. Come to Daddy. Come on. I know you want to. I know you want to come up here. Come up. Come up. Oh, look at those big claws. Yeah, those are rat killers, aren't they? Come here. Yeah. You are such a good boy. Look at you. You're tiny compared to Chester. You are tiny. Oh, yeah. Look at the little baby. Oh, you're perfect. Yeah, come here. Come here. Yeah, can I pick you up? Can I pick you up? Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Well, little dude's getting food. I'm gonna make a fire and try and warm up the trailer so when I leave, it's at least putting off some warmth underneath here. Warm up this trailer for the kitty. All right? Good kitty. Well, the fireplace is going. Batman's hanging out in the door. And I just took off some of the dead limbs on Chester's tree and cut back the hanging birch right there, because if it's going down now from wind and snow, it'll go down later. These are staying strong. Shoveled a path for the kitties to the shelter. Everything looks pretty good. I do need to shovel this off so it doesn't cover the windows. Crazy, if you look at the rock island, all the trees over there collapsing. Opened it up. I'm gonna add some more straw in here for the kitties. Well, I'd say it's been a great day. Hit J Peak for the first time this year and came here to feed the cats and just freaking had the best connection with Batman or Chopper. I haven't decided a name yet. I need to figure out if it's boy or girl. I think it's a girl. But she was just super lovey-dovey. She was very skittish. Most skittish out of all the cats yet. But I managed to pick her up. I pet her. And I set out a ton of food for the cats. I set out 5 bowls of dry food and 2 big bowls of wet food. 2 big bowls of wet food. So I'd put water out, but it's just gonna freeze tonight. But I'm just happy, and I really want to rescue Chopper. Her ears are frostbitten. Not this year, but you can tell they got fucked up last year. So I'm gonna try and save her when I camp here around Christmas time. I just got too much work going on right now and too much travel to bring her home. But I'm gonna save her. And yeah, thanks for watching. It was a GoPro only episode, but it was a good one. Well, hello there. It seems that you made it to the end of my video. I appreciate you greatly for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Chester says thanks and hi. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.